warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muki.
And my name is Teku Ahmad Salahuddin.
I am Jamil.
My name is Muhammad Azam Fikri bin Hanafi.
My name is Muhammad Zulfikri bin Zulkafli. Today I would like to present our project course for design of machine element. Our title is Plastic Extruder for Filament Printing. So for the introduction, plastic extrusion is a high volume in which raw and continuous profile plastic are melted and formed. This produce begins with the feeding from a hooper into the extruder barrel of plastic material. The molten polymer is then forced into a die, forming the polymer in a cooler shape. This machine can reduce the pollution of the environment, waste disposal, by recycling plastic products that have not been used as a new product.
I will continue about objective. The objective of this project is to design and analysis extruder machine for plastic filament printing that will promote the sustainable development program in Malaysia. Second, the extruder machine for plastic filament printing is also aimed to reduce waste in Malacca area which lead to white pollution. Lastly, this project can help to raise the awareness of white pollution among the public, especially the youngsters. Okay, for the team organization of this project is the project manager Muhammad Mufki. The team divided by two: design team and analysis team. Design team have two workers which is designer and assistant design. Designer is Muhammad Azam Fikri and assistant designer is Teku Salahuddin. For the analysis team divided by two workers also, analysis engineer and assistant analysis engineer. Analysis engineer Muhammad Azam Fikri and assistant analysis engineer is Jerry.
I will continue to the idea generation, and idea concept generation is a process that starts with a number of customer requirements and objectives, resulting in the range of product concept design option for collecting the final design. There are several steps to generate the ideas. And first, step 1 is defining the problem, and step 2 is research search for solution, and step 3 is reflect and refine the solution.
Okay, next I will present about the material selection. For this project, we decide to use three material, which is stainless steel, high strength low alloy, and carbon steel. For the criteria, we define the most important and the less important, which is corrosion resistance, cost, mechanical properties, tensile strength, and age of the unit. This criteria is that related to our project. So once the three material has been evaluated, we choose the high strength the alloy as the material to be used. Next is concept design. This is concept design. We have three concept design. Concept 1, which is concept 1 is the product has a base at the bottom. Concept 2, we remove the base to make the product is less overweight. And concept 3, we make some improvement about the bottom.
Okay, I will continue on 7 design requirements of our extruder machine for plastic filaments. So the 7 requirements include cost, conformance to standards, performance, material strength, maintainability, environmentally friendly, and manufacturability. So first of all, for cost, the development cost for the machine must be in the acceptance range to the target user. Then for the second design requirement, the conformance to standard, the machine must be manufactured under the standard of quality management standards such as SIRIM and ISO standard. Third, the performance. The performance of the machine must be optimized to avoid energy loss and repair costs due to maintenance. Fourth, the material strength. Under the effect of force acting on it, a machine part of the machine should not fail. And the fifth, maintainability. The machine design must consist of components that are able to service, adjust or repair easily. And after that, the environmentally friendly aspect. And the material used to manufacture the machine or the output of the machine must be produced with the least wastage as possible. And the last one, the manufacturability. The machine part, shape and material should be selected in such a way that it can produce at minimum cost and minimum labor cost and the labor time.
Okay, for the design selection by using the push method, the certain evaluation criteria have been set up for this design selection, which is cost, time, build up, features, weight and performance. And the weight factor scale from 1 to 5, which is 1 is not important and 5 is most important, which is for this concept. We have choose the concept 3, which is the total of the design selection is 21.
Okay, let's continue to the FEA analysis. The finite element analysis enable to visual test and predict the behavior of structure and hence solve complex structural engineering problems subjected to static and the dynamic loading condition. The platform uses scalable numerical method that can calculate mathematically expression and would otherwise be very challenging due. Okay, for this analysis, I choose the spur gear to do the analysis, and I will apply the top at the gear, and we can get the maximum stress is 9.6 Newton-meter, and which is the strength is 7.10 Newton-meter.
After the third method was used in design selection process, this is the final design of the extruder machine for plastic element. So this final design of plastic extruder has a drawer added to the base section, where the purpose of the drawer is to place the equipment and to store the filament that is already to be processed, so that the operator can manage the machine and the environment of the machine meter and does not interfere with the workspace.
I will continue about bill of material. They have 26 parts in this machine. This drawing is generated from SolidWorks to get the quantity of parts that used in this machine. The higher quantity are from bolt, nut, washer, which is quantity is 12. In the reducer part is the motor for the machine that has spur gear to control the main part in this machine, that is blade extruder.
So as a conclusion, this project is done to promote the sustainable development in Malaysia. So we want to promote to bring technology to be used in Malaysia, typically in Malacca area. We have collected the plastic from different type of waste, such as the recycling center, and then to make the plastic to be recycled and reused by using this machine. Thus, it is recommended for this machine to be available in the market for local use. So in the process of designing and optimizing the machine, we use the 7 design requirements FEA analysis. So in this extruder machine designing process, we use the 7 design requirements and FEA analysis technology to help to improve and optimize the product. So this product was made to raise the awareness of youngsters and our society to reduce the effect of white pollution. Thank you for listening to our presentation. That's all from us. Thank you.